If you are wondering how to reverse mouse scrolling direction in Windows 11 but not sure how, then this video is for you. Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how you can reverse the mouse scrolling direction in Windows 11. So watch the video till the end so that you won't miss out. First step to reverse mouse scrolling direction is, in the search box, type Device Manager and open it. Now, locate and expand the section for mice and other pointing devices. Select your pointing device and go to its properties. Now, click on the Details tab. From the drop-down menu, select Device Instant Path. Now, make sure to note down the device information. In the search box, type Registry Editor. In the Registry Editor, navigate through the following path. First, locate HKey Local Machine. Go to System, then Current Control Set. Select the enum and expand it. Select HID and expand it. Now, look carefully, identify and expand the corresponding device instant path before / you noted earlier. Again, carefully identify and expand the corresponding device instant path after the / you noted. Now, click on Device Parameter, find the FlipFlop field key, double-click it and set the value to 1. Click OK to save changes. Close the Registry Editor and Device Manager, and then restart your computer to apply the changes. After restarting, the mouse scrolling direction should be reversed. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.